Well, it is a muddy mess out here. After all the snow melted, it rained for 3 days. I got this far. I'm going to try to hopefully creep up there, but you can kind of see the milk truck way back here. This is all pretty grassy, so I'm hoping we won't sink. Cool old stuff out here. An old van, old boat. I don't know if you can see that deep old hole over here. That's where the Camaro used to sit. Well, try to get this camera set up and let's play around with the old milk truck. I figure I'd get out and kind of walk around, scope it out, get a game plan here. Summertime, you can't even see any of this. Crazy. Get out here before the snakes get out here. Couple old mowers. And the sun is super bright. May not have a very good picture. Anybody needs wheels or tires, slightly used. Yeah, it's a little shady back here. I think today we'll probably kind of start maybe cleaning this out. I think we're going to take the hood off also and get some diesel down in the cylinders. Hopefully the spark plugs don't break off. So cool. So this is going to be my project. So we'll see a lot more of this. Thinking keeping the outside kind of a patina look. I'll probably weld in and close these windows. Yeah, those windows are not factory, of course. I'm thinking welding some sheet metal in there and probably hand paint the sign again. Thinking maybe the inside, make it a little bit more modern, or at least comfortable. Really cool. Oh yeah, getting in some briar bushes. Yeah, it feels real nice. Real nice. Right in the freaking crotch. That's great. Alright, we'll see if we can set up this camera on a tripod here. And I think I'm going to start playing with the hood. That way we can get it off, pull the plugs, and get some diesel in it. hopefully we can get this motor unstuck. 50 years since the last time it's ran. I believe it's been sitting here for 30 years. Crazy. I can't wait. Okay, I'm just going to kind of talk through this a little bit. So basically, I'm kind of fast forward through this just because I was being very cautious, because Ted was telling me there are probably tons of copperheads down here hibernating. So, and you know, I don't like snakes. So I'm just kind of taking my time. Found tons and tons of pie cans. It's freaking funny. I mean, I guess they like pies. So I'm just basically picking up all the trash, getting everything out of the way so I can start trimming these trees. All right. I'm going to do some trimming on the trees. Actually, no. I need to move that little tractor looking thing out of the way. All right. Now we got to trim these trees down. They're probably about 100, 150-year-old trees. I'm just kidding. Oh, crap. I got gas in my... yeah. See if the old chainsaw will start up or not. Come on. Some more oil. Crazy. This chainsaw's been sitting in my shop for 2 years. Same gas, fires right up. That's why. should have brought you with my journey of trying to get all the tools ready this morning. Oh my gosh. Seemed like it took forever. Okay. I'm going to start dragging everything out there. Prop up my table over here. Not really a good spot. I don't even know if you can see my little table I'm setting up. That should get me started. Okay. Get some pitting trading oil. Pinning traded oil. Oh my god, I can't even talk. Start spraying the spark plugs. Hopefully they won't break on me. Probably ought to spray the hinges. We need to get the hood off. Definitely going to do one of those, what do they call it, a flip tilt, where it goes like that. I definitely want one of that for here, because it makes it a lot easier to work on. I may make my own, or like nowadays you can buy the kit and it's cheaper than what you would with the labor and material you buy. Got that sprayed real good. Wow, check that floor mat out. Anybody need one of these? Check that out. This is custom. It took many years to grow this. And it is soft. Wow. Yeah, that's going to the keep pile. Definitely got to keep that. Okay. Welds are all broke on the hood. Where the hinge goes to the hood. Pretty common for these trucks like this, from what I heard. Let's see if we can just get this off. It's always the one that you grab and it's not it. Maybe a 3/4. It's 3/4. Get the old impact. Wow, that's crazy. It's a 3/4 head. Look how small them threads are. That's not what I was expecting. That is wild. Brush your headlight. Alrighty. Mess up that patina. First time that hood's been off in at least 30 years. Guess I need to bring you guys up here. Sorry guys, that's the end of part 2. There's going to be more videos. I'm still learning how to do the editing. Just be patient with me. There's more to come. Thanks.